Shorts are a faster way to success. You get the views, you boost your subscriber count, and you just look forward to posting more and more and more. But one thing is, it is a threat to your channel as a small YouTuber if you do not have a niche yet. Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about reasons why you need to stop posting shorts as a small YouTuber or as a beginner. If you really want to start YouTube, the best way to start is to start with long form videos. To be honest, shorts are great. They are great ways to boost your views and to increase your subscriber count in no time. But in the long run, this is really going to affect your channel because the people that actually subscribed through shorts are really not going to watch your long form videos. Majority of them are not going to watch your long form videos, and that is just the truth. Even if you're going to be posting shorts, to make sure the shorts are related to your long form videos. When I started with shorts, so I was posting makeup videos, outfit videos, and then I started my long form video, which is a different kind of niche entirely, and I started getting views. But as time went by, I noticed a change, a decline in my views and even subscriber counts. And this is, after research, I noticed this is as a result of the shorts I made earlier. To solve this, I had to delete most of my previous videos that are about makeup, and I had to focus on these long form videos because this is it. We are all open for algorithm to pick up our videos and to, show our audience and to send our videos to our target audience. If we really want the algorithm to favor us, the best thing we need to do is to also help the algorithm by making sure the videos we post are mostly or closely related. This way, algorithm will really know the audience to push our kind of content to. Imagine you having short form videos about makeup, outfits, lifestyle, and you're making videos about social media content, and so how to grow YouTube channel. The algorithm will be confused. The algorithm won't know whether to send it to makeup audience or to this audience, and that way this is going to affect your YouTube channel. You need retained audience, you need people to come back, you need people that whenever you post a video, they will always click and watch that video. These are retained audience. These are the people we are making videos for. So the best way to do that is to focus on the content, on the type of niche, and you know that they will definitely always come back to your channel to watch and learn. So even if you want to post short, it is better to make sure the shorts you are posting are related to your long form videos. This way it's going to keep people on your channel. Yeah. Secondly, I will advise you not to post shorts if one of your goals is to reach monetization faster. Reaching monetization, the requirements include you having 1,000 subscribers and having 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views. Just look at that figure. I feel like it is achievable, but it is quite difficult to achieve. Short is like a very long journey to monetization. It is not easy at all. Watch hour you get from short is really low, like because your short is just a 60-second video. So imagine the number of videos you need to post before you get to 4,000 watch hours using shorts. It is really a long journey. So this is why you also need to just make sure you post long form videos, longer videos, 8 minutes, 9 minutes videos. This is what YouTube wants. YouTube actually wants people to be on their platform. They want that retention. And if you want them to help you, you also need to help you too by bringing people to the platform and also retaining people. Posting a long form video is really going to help you. The longer your video, the longer people stay on your channel, then the better for you, because this is going to increase your watch hour, and increased watch hour leads to faster monetization. I don't know if that makes sense, but that is just the basic thing. That is, it's not a rocket science. That is how it works. So if you know you really want to reach monetization faster, I'll advise you to focus on posting long form videos rather than short form videos. Another reason I think you should stop posting short form video is not going to benefit you as you really want it to. Like now, a lot of people, when a generation that a lot of people have really short attention span. I can't blame them. It is what it is. So imagine someone subscribing to your channel through your shorts. These people are like, they just want to watch a video of 60 seconds to 2 minutes, and that is it. These people are just subscribing. The chance of them watching your long form video is really, really low. And this is sending a wrong signal to the algorithm about your channel. This is one of the reasons I advise you not to also post shorts form videos, shorts generally. In my experience, I had to delete some videos just to, focus on what I really want to post, focus on the type of content I really want to be posting. So I don't want you to make that mistake I made, and this is why I'm making this video. It actually caused my channel to, be stagnant in a way. So if you do not want that for your channel, it is better to make sure you work on this thing I am talking about. Do you know that some people actually subscribe to a channel through shorts because they feel like, oh, I like this girl, I want her to succeed, so let me click and subscribe to her account, to our channel, and they do not really have the time to sit down and watch more of your videos. So that is that about that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, have a great day.